Today's our topic was in the air. With more evidence of aerosol transmission, physical distancing and masking are crucial. Like here, they were saying that, with more evidence of aerosol transmission, we know that, right? Most of the current, with now this COVID is spreading to the air also, right? Like breathing 1% oxygen, like which is released, like that is called as like aerosol transmission. And in that also, everything so even though like maintaining the mask or some of that physical distance, yeah, is somewhat crucial, but nothing we can do except these doing these things, which is very much risk in the aerosol transmission. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is revising its guidelines to acknowledge the spread of a novel coronavirus through aerosols and to point an inflation of the particles as common way to virus spreads. So here, like the Centers for Disease Control and Preventions, like there will be some of centers allocated, right, for control the diseases control for the centers which will help for the people and which will also give the guidelines for the people, like how to live now and how to be careful in this type of situations, like even the spreading about the awareness about the coronavirus, like how it spread it from 1% to 1%, to just to go in those type of points. And there and the common basic thing was due to the inhalation of the opposite person's air, that also that will also much cause this type of the viruses spreads. And the common way is to to be the most in the physical distancing and wearing mask when we are speaking to the opposite person, just to prevent the virus spreading and just to make avoid the breathing another person's air. A draft of the proposed changes to its recommendations, which was later withdrawn pending finalizing, confirmed that the airborne particles can spread even by breathing, remain suspended in air, can be inhaled and spread beyond 6 feet in the certain enclosed settings. Like here, the fine dust particles are present in the air, right? So that is also that will spread all over the to 100% in the 6 feet distance. And even they must also see some of the spitted particles in the air, and everything must be suspended. And even due to this also, breathing the suspended air particles will be somewhat tough. So just to avoid from this, even it's hard, we have to maintain our physical distancing and the masks. This comes after a body of evidence provides sufficient indication of aerosol. So they also confirm that the air particles which will be traveled from one person to another person in the airborne diseases, like this all will cause a spread of coronavirus. Of in a vessel less than 5 microns transmission, especially in closed settings with a poor ventilation after prolonged contact with an infected person. Giving a 5, nearly 5 microns will be passed from one person to another person if they were talking in a close contact, like without the mask, like that. Like it may even show the transmission of 5 microns or less than that. In February, researchers from the Wuhan Institute of Virology, in a paper published in Nature, which first about airborne transmission. So here in Wuhan, like where the coronavirus case was noticed, like they had said that it is like they have, first of all, they have everyone, it is an airborne disease. So from then onwards, everyone became so much alert. I don't even edit. The paper also characterized the novel coronavirus as confirmed the respirators of the virus binds. The World Health Organization had on July 9th acknowledged that the virus can be airborne in closed settings after an open letter by the more than 200 scientists appealing to the medical community and national and the international bodies to recognize the potential for airborne spread of COVID-19. So after the medical scientists had gathered together to see how much capability it had to spread over the airborne diseases, and finally the nearly 200 scientists have concluded that yeah, it is an airborne disease, but if we maintain some social distancing or mask, like it will only occur if we were talking to the opposite person very closely. So after somewhat people got relaxed. Beginning with the cruise ship Diamond Princess large outbreaks, we have been documented in chunks in South Korea and Singapore, and presents old age homes, zikrots in Austria, and even child practice in a church in Mount Vernon, Washington, providing strong evidence of aerosol transmission in certain closed settings early during the pandemic. So like even there were also some of the running of the churches and different type of things also, right? So they must also avoid this all the things very much clearly, because now it is in a critical situation, right? So everyone must be alert while taking these type of the steps during the pandemic. And this all the aerosol transmission was only occur if they were in a close transmission, or they were in a close contact. It is therefore bill widening that both WHO and CDC refused to adopt the precautionary principle and caution people even while the collecting data to confirm the refute that possibility. However, even in the absence of guidelines in the global bodies, many countries on their own they need diminution of the certain enclosed things to operate, thus inverting immutable outbreaks and cases. So, like not only like some of the governments will also not care about this all the right guidelines or the safety measures. So, to avoid this, even the other countries only took a stand to say us about what this virus means and how to protect from the virus, and they also made an awareness about the coronavirus. With aerosol transmission now being confirmed and the spread to distance beyond 6 feet, also known the way only for the prevent infection till such time, and probably even vaccines become available is through universal masking. But even the vaccines are available for us to protect us, but also we have to wear masks just to make ourselves good and make ourselves free. Timely cautioning by global bodies of an aerosol transmission possibility might have encouraged universal mask wearing early on, thus preventing thousands of cases. Universal masking can avert infectious, and if infected, the amount of viral load one is exposed to will be less, releasing it into the asymptomatic infection or mild disease. Unlike Diamond Princess, universal masking is another shift led to 81% of infections becoming asymptomatic. Yeah, but even so here, like even the we know that right, our is corona means even if we got a cold or cough also we'll get an idea that we got this. So even if there was asymptomatic the signs also, like everyone approaching, so everyone must have to avoid this. There have been similar results in other cases where universal masking were practiced, with aerosol transmission now being established as a common way of spreading in certain settings. The best way to avoid getting infected is by staying clear of the crowded, closed settings that have a poor ventilation. So just here like but this is the only thing was to sit in a way and avoid the infected diseases, and stay clear and be clear what you have done, and always be strong on what you have think, and we must also be in a poor ventilation where we can also protect ourselves from different type of diseases.